Capricorns, this is Tara with Ariana Stark. This is your forecast for the month of June 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to dive into these angel therapy cards right here. Besides, for a final message, I'm going to use this butterfly oracle deck. With respect to your love life, Capricorns, I will dive into this love oracle that has been created by me. The link is given in the description box in case you want to make a purchase, and you can do just that. Capricorns, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Towards the final days of May, stepping into June 2021, we have the King of Pentacles. It's quite likely, Capricorns, in this period you had made some material gains. I think some people were also very helpful or kindly disposed towards you. Maybe if you had gone for a job interview, then you would have come away bagging the job. Interestingly, there was also somebody who was trying to take advantage of you or trying to fleece you, but then there was also somebody who was watching your back. So this situation was also something which worked out in your favor. Obstacles this month, or the challenges that June is going to present for Capricorns, is the Knight of Wands energy. Quite likely that you have to sail with the changes. You have to be up and about, or you have to adapt to the changing circumstances that are there before you. I think you'll also be somebody who is not going to tolerate or put up with disorganized people. Communication is also going to increase this month, but then you should make the most of the chances that come your way. Largely, I think Capricorns, you will be the cynosure of all eyes. With respect to money matters, also you're being called upon to be very transparent in your dealings. Influences for this month, we have the King of Wands. I think Capricorns, in this time, you need to bury the hatchet and move on. Maybe there are disagreements with colleagues or with friends, or maybe you're also somebody who's quite put out on account of disagreements with your mother. This is why you're being called upon to thrash these issues. Some of you could also be quite exasperated because visitors could be there or there could be guests, and this means that you feel quite stifled within the home environment. Professional front, Capricorns, you can expect work-related recognition. You're quite creative and intuitive. You seem to be in control of situations. The first 10 days of the month, that is towards 1st to 10th June, we have the Nine of Swords energy. The pressure of work is definitely going to make you quite restless. I think you find yourself in situations when you have to step in because others may not be around. Maybe work colleagues are absent, or even on the home front, housekeeping staff may not be around. That is why the pressure on you is enormous, but you are up to it. Though it's not going to be smooth sailing, I think you can expect some respite. Sometimes, you could also be a bit exasperated as your responsibilities seem to be ever increasing. Besides, you feel help is not at hand, or that you are left to your own devices. Nevertheless, on the work front, you'll be making quick progress. Incidentally, if there's a work offer or there's an interview lined up, I think you should read between the lines. Maybe the pay on offer is not up to your expectations. I think while dealing with clients or with your juniors also, you should be very honest and upfront. Maybe you feel that someone is cheating you or deceiving you. Interestingly, this month you should also be careful because rivals could be trying to malign you. And this could take a toll on your health as well. You see this card here, this lady, she seems to be down and out, or she suffers from sleeplessness as well. So maybe in these first 10 days you need to cover up on your sleep. Though sleep is something which could elude you. Next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th June, we have the Page of Wands energy. Certainly, communication is going to increase. This is also the time when you will be able to understand the real purpose of your life. Surely you will welcome the clarity that is coming your way. I think it is also giving you a chance to rectify past mistakes. Though you will be socializing a bit, I think Capricorns, in this time you may also feel a bit withdrawn. Ideally, I think you should avoid disagreements with loved ones and colleagues. Sometimes, they could accuse you of being meddlesome. On the other hand, you believe that they fail to understand your point of view. Even when you are dealing with colleagues, you feel that you are misinterpreted or that they can't understand your instructions. Nonetheless, communication will also bring in gains. Besides, your creativity is also going to be on display. Though hard work is in store for you, and this could make you a bit restless and impatient, but then you should be someone who should take heart from the fact that you'll be able to accomplish much. Sometimes, you'll also be busy reviewing the tasks at hand. Capricorns, you should also pay attention to your dreams. Maybe there are omens which you should not disregard. Those of you who are at the helm of affairs, I think you'll be interviewing candidates. Perhaps you could benefit if you were more accommodating instead of being too bossy and high-handed. 10 days of the month, we have the Four of Cups energy. This talks about emotional discontentment. Ideally, you should hold your tongue or you should watch your mouth because there's a tendency to argue. This could make you also a bit emotional. Perhaps you will benefit if you will listen to what others have to say rather than overreact to situations. Sometimes, you may feel as though people are two-faced and self-centered. Nonetheless, there will also be those people who will hear your side of the story. Maybe the financial constraints could weigh you down or put you in a spot of bother. Nevertheless, I think your loved ones will come to your aid. Even if you're on the lookout for a job, maybe there could be outstation offers, but then they may not excite you. Sometimes, you may feel a bit lazy. You don't want to carry on with the task, but then later you will regret wasting your time. I think you are being called upon to push the envelope and complete whatever you have set out to do. Responsibilities is also going to increase in the final days as well. Maybe a senior worker is on leave, so all the responsibilities could fall on your shoulders. While dealing with clients, also you should negotiate. Maybe banking work is also going to take up your time this month. With respect to your love life, I have the card, letter, messages, love notes. Some kind of communication is in the offing this month for Capricorns. I think single Capricorns, you're somebody who could leave your suitor heartbroken. We do have the Nine of Swords energy, so it could be vice versa as well. Somebody could leave you a bit distraught. An exchange of words on the social media or communication may not be up to your liking. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be a proposal or somebody could show an interest in you on a matrimonial or on a dating site. Incidentally, Capricorns, you'll also be dealing with unwanted attention coming your way. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you will come across or you will stumble upon new information with respect to your crush. Maybe he's going to be in your city soon. That is why this could make you a bit impatient and restless. In case yours is an unacknowledged relationship, or in case the two of you have feelings for each other but you have not spoken about it, I think this is the best time to communicate and let the person know. Maybe you will also discuss your respective families this month. However, Capricorns, there will also be those times when your dates could be cancelled. I think you are somebody who is going to be overwhelmed because your lover finds you quite intelligent and beautiful. Besides, you also have the go-getter attitude. The two of you could also be interested in each other's social background or faith. You are eager to understand your beloved all the more. For some of you, I'm also picking up the distance could also affect the relationship. Maybe your person is going to be away or it's a long distance relationship. That is why you're yearning for this person. In case yours is a secret romance or in case you're in a third party situation, I think you'll be a bit distraught because you believe that conversations with your lover could be a thing of the past as his family member is going to be around quite soon, or maybe there are prying eyes. This is why you could be feeling a bit withdrawn and helpless. On the other hand, those of you who are married, I think you should be more romantically disposed this month. Your spouse is also somebody who is going to be delighted with your success at work, but maybe your in-laws aren't too happy about the same. Many of you will also be concerned about the financial condition of your spouse. Sometimes, you could also be a bit irked because your spouse has a very lax attitude. Maybe you want him to oblige you immediately, but then he wants to take his own sweet time. Ideally, I think Capricorns, you need to be more tolerant of each other rather than complain or be neglectful. Capricorns, in case your parents, I think there could be issues with children here which could affect your relationship as well. Perhaps your children desire financial independence, so this could affect you a bit. From Angel Therapy cards, we have this card here which says workshop and seminars. This is interesting because we do have messages here. If we look at it in another context, I think that you're being called upon to communicate more in this month. Maybe you should attend workshops and you should enhance your skills. I think interactions with like minded people could also help you evolve as a worker. Some of you could also be thinking about giving discourses. Spiritual healing could also benefit you a great deal. Perhaps you're getting worked up about how you should proceed with respect to a workshop or a seminar, but then you should understand that you're being guided and this is also a part of your calling this life. The last card in this reading, Capricorns, is healthcare change. Possibly you need to protect your health by acknowledging the changes that your body is undergoing at this point in time. I think you should seek professional opinion with respect to a matter that is bothering you. You know, a second opinion could also be something which could benefit you this month. Alternative healing methods is also something which Capricorns you should incorporate in your life. Perhaps you're also a healer of some sorts, and so that is why you're being able to guide other people around you. This is interesting because we do have workshops and seminars. Like I said, you could be a healer, so maybe you should do some healing workshops and it could benefit mankind as a whole. I hope Capricorns you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.